Still Exceed here with Remax Performance and Alcova Mortgage. And today we're going to take a look at 155 Jessamine Place, located in Massanutten, Virginia, home of exquisite golfing, skiing, and mountain biking. It'll be a perfect primary residence or a really nice short-term rental. Let's take a look. Beautiful nature. As we approach the house, I would like you guys to see the landscaping, see the stonework, how it's naturally blends in with the overall style and the design of the house. The cedar siding gives it that cabin vibe, but doesn't compromise the nice amenities that it has. Beautiful walkway, beautiful steps. Let's go in. No one answered. As we get into this really nice space, the first thing that catches my eye, and probably catches yours, is natural wood burning fireplace. And just imagine sitting late at night to the sound crackling of the fire and just drinking a beverage of choice, whatever that is for you. There's plenty of wood here that comes with the house. Just saying. Floors are hardwood throughout the main living area. And as we move into the dining room, you can see lots and lots of natural light. Big enough dining room for a big family. I mean, this house has 4 bedrooms, right? As we move further, we get to the deck right there, where you can spend a lot of time reminiscing about life. Trying to solve problems. You know what to do. Well, why am I telling you this? Here we get into the kitchen. And as we know, in the house, if the kitchen ain't good, it ain't good house. This house has a really good kitchen. Nice appliances, nice finishes, just enough space for you to let your ideas roll, but not enough to take up half of the house. Let's go look at the primary bedroom. Right over this way. Quick note, there's also another bathroom right here, as well as a guest bedroom. Would you take a look at this space? Nice big closets, enough space for a king bed, as well as lots of natural light from that window right there, and a full bathroom right in the primary suite. And now, let's go downstairs and check out the big entertainment space. Nice and cozy space down here. Really nice inserts for the books. And overall, a really good space for, let's say, a movie night or Rattly Kids, whichever way you want to roll with that. Then later here we have another bedroom, a laundry room, as well as a bathroom for this level. 2-car garage, big enough for your truck or a Tesla. Again, whichever way you like to live your life. And here we got one last bedroom. Imagine sitting out here, peaceful, quiet, the birds are chirping, away from a busy city life. Lots of trees, lots of pure oxygen. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Schedule your tour on the link below.